हेलो फ्रेंड्स, जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहली वाली वीडियो में विटामिन का एक शॉर्ट डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया था, फिर मैंने बोला था कि मैं आपको पार्ट सेकंड में आपको विटामिन ए के बारे में बताऊंगी. सो this is the part 2, that is the vitamin A. What is the vitamin A? I will tell you. And what is the main function of the vitamin A, what is the deficiency of vitamin A, and what is the prevention of that deficiency. So I will tell line by line that what is the vitamin and what is the main function of the vitamin. So what is the vitamin A? So vitamin A, that is occurs only in the fatty phases of the food of the animal origin. It means that this vitamin A only found in the animal origin, that is the fatty phases of the food that is in animal origin. So plant foods contain the yellow, orange and red color pigment, that is called the provitamins, that is also known as the carotenoids. जो प्लांट्स फूड होते हैं, जो प्लांट ओरिजिन के फूड होते हैं, उनमें जो विटामिन पाया जाता है वो किस कलर का होता है, जिनको हम कैरोटीनेट्स कहते हैं, उनको हम प्रोविटामिन ए भी कहते हैं, जो कि येलो, ऑरेंज एंड रेड कलर का होता है. एंड they color these color are found in the mostly in the vegetables and fruits. So like lemon contains vitamin C. So this is yellow color, but in vitamin A the orange, red and yellow color is mainly found in the vegetables, and those vegetables which are having the color of yellow, orange and red, these type of vegetables or fruit contain the vitamin A. So this is the vitamin A definition. And also it is the carotenoid pigments are converted to vitamin A in the body, that is carotene is precursor of the vitamin A. So it is synthesized by the plants and is ultimate source of vitamin A. Then the history of the short history of the vitamin A, that is McCollum and Davis in 1917 showed that a fat soluble factor present in butter was essential for the growth of rat on सिंथेटिक डाइट. सो 1917 में मैककॉलम ने एंड डेविस ने ये शो किया था कि जो फैट सॉल्युबल फैक्टर्स होते हैं वो बटर में पाए जाते हैं, जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा इसेंशियल होते हैं किसके लिए, ग्रोथ ऑफ रैट्स ऑन सिंथेटिक डाइट. जो रैट्स होते हैं, चूहे होते हैं, उन्होंने उस पर एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था, तो उन पर एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था कि ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा इसेंशियल होते हैं उनकी ग्रोथ के लिए, एंड दे कॉल्ड फैक्टर्स एज फैट सॉल्युबल ए, जिनको उन्होंने नाम दिया था फैट सॉल्युबल ए. सो स्टीनबॉक इन फिर अगेन उन्होंने 1919 में एक दूसरे साइंटिस्ट हुए जिन्होंने स्टीनबॉक, जिनका नाम था, इन्होंने विटामिन एक्टिविटी फाउंड की थी, डिस्कवर की थी. सो विटामिन एक्टिव किसकी की थी, कैरोटेनॉइड्स की. फिर 1931 में कैरर ऑब्टेन अ हाईली कंसनट्रेटेड विटामिन ए. फिर उन्होंने एक हाईली कंसनट्रेटेड विटामिन ए जो कि 1931 में कैरनर ने किया था. सो फिर 1937 में होलमेस एंड कॉर्बेट ने ये पता किया था कि जो विटामिन ए होता है वो क्लिस्ट्राइन फॉर्म में पाया जाता है. देन प्योर जो विटामिन ए होता है वो पेल येलो क्रिस्टलाइन कंपाउंड का होता है. ये इसकी प्रॉपर्टी है, एंड ये मेनली एनिमल किंगडम में पाया जाता है. सो विटामिन ए इज मेजर्ड इन द इंटरनेशनल यूनिट्स ऑफ द माइक्रोग्राम्स. Then now the functions of the vitamin A. So what is the functions? So main function is vision. So it is very helpful in the maintain the sight of the human body, that it maintain the visibility of the eyes. So we are seeing here and there just only because of vitamin A, that we are taking the vitamin A in our diet. So we are able to see all these things, all the things in our surroundings. So mainly the rhodopsin present in retina. So rhodopsin it is a that is present in the retina is very necessary for the vision in dim light, that mainly usually in dark night or in the evening we are able to see just because of rhodopsin. So it is formed when the vitamin A combines with protein opsin. Means the rhodopsin is made up of the combination of the vitamin A and opsin. Opsin is a protein, and in bright light mainly the rhodopsin absorb the light and break down into protein opsin and retinal. So this is the first function of the vitamin A. Then vitamin A and epithelial tissue. So the another important function of vitamin A is to maintain the integrity of the epithelial tissues which form outermost lining of the skin and the innermost lining of the mucous membrane of the respiratory, gastrointestinal, genitourinary tract and eyes. So this is very helpful for the epithelial tissue. Then next, bone and tooth development. So vitamin A is very necessary for the bone development or the skeletal growth and the tooth development. Tooth, our teeth or tooth. Then anti-infective, it acts as the anti-infective, so it fights against the infection by keeping the mucous membrane in a healthy condition, which acts as a barrier to the infection. Then others function are vitamin A may protect some epithelial cancers such as bronchial cancer. So vitamin is very necessary. Those who are having the risk on the bronchial cancer, so they have to take the vitamin A to prevent these type of cancers. So the main sources of the vitamin A are the animal and the plant foods. In animal, retinol, and in plant, arytenoids. So first is animal food. So what animal food we have to take? So first is the liver. The main food rich in retinol, that is liver, egg yolk, butter, cheese, whole milk and this one fish, meat, fish liver oils are the richest natural sources of the retinol. Butter and eggs are also the good sources of the vitamin A. Then now the plant sources क्या होते हैं? Red fruits, vegetables such as carrot, pumpkin, mango, papaya, peaches, apricot and all the green leafy vegetables containing the vitamin A such as spinach, fenugreek leaves, amaranth and the curry leaves are the rich source of the provitamin A, that is carotene. The darker is green leaf is the higher in the carotenase. Red palm oil is the richest source of carotenase. So are you understood about the main sources of the vitamin A? So now the deficiency of the vitamin A. What are the main deficiency? Like night blindness, nyctoplia, xerosis conjunctiva, blight spot, corneal xerosis, keratomalacia. So these all are the deficiency of the, if the patient is not taking, if the client is not taking the main source of the vitamin A, or they are not taking the sufficient vitamin A, so they are having the this kind of deficiency they are having on risk. So in night blindness, they are not able to see in the dim light. Xerosis conjunctiva, they are their eyes become the dry, thick, wrinkled and pigment. So in Biot's spot, in this condition, these spots are triangular, perny, white or yellowish foamy spots on the bulbar conjunctiva on the either sides of the cornea. And in corneal xerosis, the cornea appears dull, dry and non-wettable and vigorously opaque. There is a loss of water in the eyes. So and in keratomalacia there is or liquefaction. The cornea is grave a medical emergency. Apart whole cornea may soft and may burst open. So this is all about the deficiency, the short description about the deficiency of vitamin A. Then phrenoderma, it is or a condition of the hyperkeratinization of the epithelial lining of the hair follicle. The skin become rough, dry and papular of the varying size at the offset. So this is the deficiency of the vitamin A. Then next is effects of the excessive intake of the vitamin A. So first is hypervitaminous. If the patient or if the client is taking the excessive vitamin A, so these conditions happen in the body of the patient or body of the client. So first is hypervitaminosis. This is mainly in affects the children's body. So they are taking the excessive large dose of the vitamin A. So the symptoms of toxicity are nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, loss of hair and itching. So the treatment is vitamin A deficiency is treated immediately, urgently after a detection. So the treatment for the deficiency of vitamin A, that early detection is very necessary, and also we will provide the doses of the vitamin A for the patient. Those who are having the deficiency of vitamin A. But do not give any do not give the overdose of the vitamin A, otherwise it will cause the hypervitaminosis. So this is all about the vitamin A. So in next part, in next video I will tell about the vitamin B. So thank you.